Cooltek is here for you with an amazing product. Compressed air tanks that can be used in homes, hospitals, aerospace, pharmaceutical and medical manufacturing, laboratories, electronics, industrial automation, and almost anywhere you need for air compressing and storage use. We have a strong production capacity of over 300 pieces a day, but that doesn't affect the quality of the tanks. We want to ensure that we provide you with the best overall experience, and there will be 99% of the world using air compressor tanks from Cooltek. Eventually, we want to cover all of it. That's not just a dream. Aside from plenty of existing types for your choice, we also manufacture according to the drawings or requirements of the customer, as we have a strong technical team standing by for you anytime. Amazing, isn't it? We never compromise on the quality of our product, as we're based on providing the best air tanks with superior service and an overall reliability, ensuring the satisfaction of all our customers. We are in China, a country that makes the best product with the best price. You can profit more without sacrificing on any bit of the quality. What are you waiting for? For further details, visit our website at www.cooltekair.com.